Mauro Epis from Lelit, and today we will execute the descaling procedure with Anita PL042EM. This procedure is the same for all the Anna, Anita, Grace, Victoria and Kate coffee machines. The accumulation of limestone is completely normal process caused by the presence of minerals in the water. To avoid the formation of such sediments, it is always necessary to use the Leysin resin filter and replacing them regularly. The descaling of hydraulic circuit must be performed annually, and it requires the intervention of specialized technicians. The product to be used is fully descaler espresso liquid. Before use, read the product safety sheet attached to the procedure. First of all, turn off the machine. Remove the Leysin water softener. And insert the Lidl filter in the same tube. Okay. Only for models Kate, Victoria and Grace, set the pre-infusion off from the LCC display. Fill the water tank with 400 ml of fresh water. And add 1 bottle of fully descaler espresso liquid. Mix the water with the descale. For PL81T, 91T and PL82C, fill up 1 liter of water and add the fully descaler. Turn on the machine. Always have the damp cloth to remove immediately some splashes that might ruin the finish of the machine. Remove the filter holder. Place a container under the machine group. Withdraw water for 30 seconds. And then wait for 30 seconds. Now wait for 30 seconds. Put another water container under the steam wand and withdraw water for 30 seconds. I have to push this button and this button, and then I have to open the steam tap. Now I have to close the steam tap and I have to stop the irrigation. Now wait 30 seconds. Repeat these 2 operations until the solution in the tank has run out. Remember to respect the pauses to avoid the pump overheating. Rinse the water tank and fill it with fresh water. Okay. Okay, clean the machine with the damp cloth to avoid to damage the machine. Okay. Repeat the operation of withdraw and pause from the machine group and the steam wand until at least 2 tanks full of fresh water are used up. Insert a new Lelit resin filter . Okay. Please read the instruction. Look the bubble air. Now exit from the filter. Okay. The resin filter is ready. I have to remove this filter, and I have 2 tubes. Insert the resin filter in this tube, in the bigger tube is a mistake. You have to install it in this. This tube is for the water charge, and this tube is the exhaust from the OPV valve. Follow the daily descaling procedure instruction for more information. Thank you for watching.